Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you're scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix the problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.